I am the son of a shop owner. I grew up doing just about everything in the shop. Whatever my dad could think of, I did it. It was one day working on cars, another day washing cars. One day it was, hey, go climb up into the ceiling and redirect the AC units because customers complain that they're too hot. I did that. You know, I did everything, right? And I got to watch this business go from a single location to, 9, going on 10 locations in 3 different states, which is huge. And as my dad was growing his business, what he had was a huge issue of parts theft. In fact, he had about 180 grand stolen from him in 6 months from 2 employees. And that was a big, big moment for him because he saw this business that he thought was otherwise successful, right? Everyone wants to have more locations. Everyone wants to have, bigger teams. But at the end of the day, those businesses that were getting bigger and bigger and bigger were almost running on a treadmill, and they weren't getting the success that he was trying to get. So that's when he decided, I'm done with this. I'm not going to open up any more businesses. I'm not going to expand the business. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand what I already have because there's so much freaking money under the hood in these shops that I already have that I don't need to be opening up more rooftops. And he was right. So what he did was he started looking into his business to figure out the cause. And what he realized was he had a bookkeeper, he had the accountant, he had the manager and GM, but he did not have a process that was set up to grow. And so that's when he decided to automate that with WickedFile and create a suite of tools that could help solve that exact problem.